Hello my dreamers, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aislinn, back at it again with another video. And we're doing another Halloween one. I didn't think I would be doing another one so soon, but you loved my last one, so I wanted to add a quick little one before Halloween came, just in case you needed a last minute costume that you could kind of make from home, some last minute good go-to sexy DIY Halloween costumes. Then this is the video for you, and make sure you watch the whole thing. Love you, bye. As always, if you guys do like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and don't forget to click the little notification bell so you don't miss my videos when they go live. The first piece that I'm going to show you is actually what I'm wearing right now. This is a bodysuit. It is from Fashion Nova and it is a lingerie piece. However, because it was a little risky, I took a high-waisted panty that's supposed to just suck you in, and I put it over top to kind of act as like the new pair of bottoms. I'm going to be pairing this with over-the-knee stockings that I got from Amazon and some classic black heels that are open-toed and some bunny ears. These were from Fashion Nova. I painted them myself with paint that I got from the Dollarama. These used to be satin white. I painted them this morning, so it dries really quickly in case you're in a rush. That I happen to have for my Elastigirl costume that I got also from Fashion Nova. You can get long gloves like this from Amazon, and they can be mesh, they can be leather, they can be whatever. But yeah, they're super affordable and Amazon has Prime. So I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like with the heels, the stockings, everything all together in the bodysuit. So this is Playboy Bunny or just Sexy Bunny costume number 1. Let's go. So this is the first costume, the Playboy Bunny slash bunny. It is so adorable. So the bodysuit is a little lace bodysuit. It does have a little crisscross in the back, almost like a corset, but it's not actually a corset. It does up in the front. Bottoms are like shapewear underwear that I just put over top because they're super high-waisted, and I thought it gave the bodysuit a different feel instead of being completely see-through. This is the costume. It is absolutely stunning. I did a photo shoot in it today actually, and I cannot wait to post the pictures, but so freaking adorable. The bodysuit, like I said, is from Fashion Nova. It is a lace one. It does have straps, but I just tucked them in. The gloves just make a perfect little effect, and the stockings with the heels. Are you kidding me? It's so cute. These underwear are basically shapewear that are super high-waisted, and I thought they would just go perfectly with this. Freaking adorable. And this is it kind of more up close. I pulled the camera back a little bit further today so I could show you guys the shoes, because I am doing like a whole outfit included, so hopefully it looks good. Okay, on to the next. Also, I'm obviously not going to show the back of this because there's no back of this. Yeah, you know where to find it, link down below. Okay, so the next costume that I have is so freaking cute. If you guys watched my last video, you guys will know that there was a Tinkerbell costume in there, and it was cute. However, I wanted to take it up a little notch because I had this dress in my closet that I was like, this is a vibe, let me do this. So it's a pixie slash fairy, okay? So obviously we have the fairy wings, which came in the Tinkerbell costume from Fashion Nova. However, you can get these on Amazon and they come in a kit with the ears. I'll link it down below. Not the exact same ones, but you can do any kind of color. I'm gonna be Tinkerbell because she's green, but you can be any color fairy. This dress, you guys, I don't know if anybody remembers this from one of my old Fashion Nova hauls. It's a gorgeous latex mini dress, and it's just the perfect color. I was like, oh my god, how could I not use this? It's perfect. So then Tinkerbell has like the cutest little freaking pom-pom heels. So I was like, okay, I could do something like that, or you could just do a basic clear heel or a sneaker if you don't want to wear heels. I have these shoes from Public Desire, and these are like the Mac and Mac dupes. Like, these are stunning. I'm obsessed with these shoes. I love these. These are probably one of my favorite pairs of shoes, and they're surprisingly really comfortable. I don't wear them often. They're definitely a statement piece, but I just thought they would be perfect for Halloween and perfect for this costume. So Tinkerbell slash fairy slash pixie, let's go. This is the little fairy costume. How cute. I'm trying to show you guys the heel with it. Dress is perfect. The shoe, even more perfect. And the wings, it's so simple, but it's just freaking adorable. I love this one. I think this one is so freaking cute. 10 out of freaking 10. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to actually wear this, and stay tuned for pictures on my Instagram. There's not really much to say about this one other than it's freaking adorable, but you can do this in any color. Like if you have like a bright colored pink or orange or blue or anything. Next. Also, don't forget to let me know what your favorites are down in the comments below. Keep in mind, you can always make any of these costumes less sexy if you have like a longer green dress, or if you want to just wear pants with the bodysuit instead of wearing stockings, or leggings if you want to just be comfortable. Even like black jeans is a vibe, or a little black skirt. This next one is a little baby doll lingerie piece that I got from Fashion Nova a while ago in a try-on haul, and I was like, how cute would this be if I wore this and I was like a dark angel? I was like, okay, I got that angel costume in my last haul, and I knew I was never gonna wear the gold one, so I'm like, let me paint the wings and the halo black. Now, if I was actually gonna wear this, first of all, I painted all of this last night, actually this morning at 5 a.m., okay? I only had time to do one coat, so it's not perfect. If I was actually going to wear this out, which I'm not, I would have done 2 coats, or I would have went to any kind of craft store where I can get feathers, and I would actually individually glue feathers on this. It would look more realistic. But I did paint the straps black because that was a necessity with the costume. So anyway, we have that going on. I did that quickly just for the DIY video for you guys. I painted the tiny little headband that was gold black as well, just with the same dollar store acrylic paint that I painted the ears with. I did that all today, so it's definitely a good last minute option if any of you are just like scrambling for time and you have no idea what to do. And then the star of the show is going to be the frickin' shoes. So once again, you can wear like a little corset top with this and some black jeans, or leather pants and like a tube top, or anything. Like, you can do any black piece of clothing underneath this, okay? These shoes, they have a really, really long strap because they tie up around the leg, but look at this freaking shoe. It's absolutely stunning. Let's try this one on and see what our dark angel looks like. How freaking adorable is this? The baby doll is so adorable. I kept the same shapewear underwear underneath this, but you can just wear shorts if you want, or like I said, the pants option. But honestly, for painting this stuff in a day, it turned out really good. Can we have a moment for the shoe? It's fabulous. I'm in love with this outfit. I think the shoe is such a staple piece, or like an over-the-knee boot or something. I just think it pops so much and it gives this costume something a little bit more. I love it. I don't have anything to wear, but I still want to look cute, but this is it. I freaking love this one. Last but not least, we have probably the easiest, most badass costume. If you can't think of something to do, chances are you probably own a bikini, probably own jogging pants. And Amazon, you can get a ski mask or a balaclava for $10, okay? The other piece you can get from the dollar store. This is the classic Spring Breakers costume, okay? You can do a bank robber and you can grab a pillowcase, just a white pillowcase, and write a $sign on it. You can put your actual stuff in it, and that can be your personal ski mask going on. And you can also do it in a different color if you want like a pop of color. I got both of these on Amazon. I'll link them down below for you guys. But yeah, you can do a little pop of color if you don't want it just to be all black. I got this tiny little cap gun at Dollarama for like $3, $4. It actually makes a sound, so it's kind of cute, but it's just like a little prop, so you can just like have something to like take a cute photo with and like, you know, do a little something something. The bikini, I'm just gonna use a black bikini because I just feel like it's just fitting, you know? Use any color bikini that you want. This one is also from Fashion Nova. I have the little double strap, which I think is so sexy, and it has this in the back, which will kind of stick up and be super badass. Black jogging pants, you can use any color jogging pant you want. This doesn't have to be crazy, but I just wanted to go for like the all black theme, and then I'm personally gonna pair it with a pair of sneakers. So actually, if you had a pair of black Air Force Ones, now would be the time to wear them. Any other time, you're kind of a sociopath, but it's fine. I'm gonna pair it with my Dior sneakers. If I was going to the club, I would not wear these. Any kind of sneakers, or you can wear a black boot if you're feeling like wearing a heel. Spring Breakers slash bank robber fit. Let's go. The final costume. So it's super chill, super relaxed. I love it. The black bikini is super simple. Honestly, you could do something with a little bit more pop color. I think it would be sick, or even a pink mask, but I put this on as a hat just in case you don't want to cover your face all night. You just may like kind of want it for the pic, or you can kind of have hanging in your hand like that, you know? Your little handgun. My honest idea was to get a squirt gun and fill it up with alcohol and like shoot shots in your friend's mouth for the night, but like, I don't drink, but like, you know, I would be the one delivering the shots. But this is the back with the shoes. I think it's a vibe with the shoes, but I think the all black would also be sick. I just think it's a nice little pop of color, and then not even pop of color, but pop of something extra. But then, okay, so there was like a little string loose, and I accidentally broke the mask. So I'll try this one on. So that's the costume, that's the fit. Very Spring Breaker slash bank robber vibes, but make it sexy, you know? And that's it. That's all for the costumes. I hope you guys like this different kind of video. I liked it. I think it was fun. Outro time. Alright, so that concludes this haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much again for watching and all the love on my channel. I love you so much. You are amazing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Click the subscribe button. That's it. That's all. I will see you all in my next video.